Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. And you know when you find a top that just goes with everything, you end up telling all of your friends about it? That's how this top is from KARIN. Now it's listed as a tank top, but it has an unusual sleeve or top to the sleeve look to it, being a cap sleeve on one side and a tank top sleeve on the other, which means it's going to work for many seasons, warm weather or cool weather, because it works well under a jacket, cardigan, or sweater. You can wear this casually. You could wear it for work if you have to wear business casual or business attire. This top can go through any outfit and many seasons. Now I'm wearing the white in size large. I love the feel of the material. It has a beautiful drape to it, and the little unusual gathering material and asymmetrical neckline gives it an added interest there at the top that's very flattering, as well as room for a necklace. If you want to be able to wear a necklace, it's definitely compatible. This is just such a versatile top and flattering. I think you're going to find yourself reaching for it over and over again. This color is white. It's a beautiful neutral, and it is not sheer. So I wasn't seeing through the material. It's thick enough so that you're able to get good coverage, which is important to me. And the details, like the way it hangs and fits, even the armpit holes are good, true to size. And I like the fact that you can wear a necklace with the neckline, but you don't have to, because it's interesting enough on top to stand on its own. So all in all, I really love this top. This is the white, and I feel like it's a piece you're going to reach for over and over again. And that is my point of view.